Hello and welcome. Today I'm sharing my top 5 favorite metal coffee tables where each has its own unique vibe to match different spaces and tastes. Let's start with industrial style tables made with metal and wood. This combo gives off a strong yet cozy vibe. The metal frame makes it steady and the wood top adds a warm natural feel. It looks like it's made to last and never goes out of style. It fits great with leather sofas, brick walls, or loft-inspired rooms. Go for dark metal like matte black or oil-rubbed bronze. Choose a wood top made of oak, walnut, or mango for a vintage touch. Many of these have open shelves underneath, which is perfect for books, baskets, or game controllers. Next, we have minimalist metal frame coffee tables. These are all about clean lines and a simple design. They bring a calm, tidy feel to the room. Even though they are made of metal, they don't feel bulky. They are perfect for smaller spaces or open layouts. Look for powder-coated steel or aluminum in black, white, or silver. Glass tops make them feel lighter, or go with stone-like granite for contrast. If you love clean modern design, this style is a great choice. Third on my list is something a bit more high-end. Luxury tables made with a mix of materials. Think metal paired with marble, glass, or even leather. These tables feel fancy and well designed. Mixing different textures give them a nice balance. Shiny metal with soft finishes. They instantly make any room feel more upscale. Brushed brass or chrome legs with marble tops are very trendy now. Go for artistic shapes like asymmetrical frames or floating layers if you want something unique. Use these tables as your main decor piece. Match your room colors and accessories to them for a complete look. Now, let's look at something softer. Curved and flowing metal tables. They don't have the sharp edges of industrial styles and instead look like sculptures. Great for adding an artistic touch to your space. They fit nicely in minimalist, Japandi, or boho inspired rooms. Look for brushed or matte black metal frames with round or oval tops. Some even have cool twisted or ribbon-like bases that reflect light beautifully. They are easy to move around and ideal for smaller spaces where every inch matters. Last but not least, smart and functional metal coffee tables. These are perfect for small homes or multi-use rooms. Some have hidden storage, USB ports, or lift-up tops. Great for working from the couch, hidden clutter, or entertaining guests. The metal frame makes them strong enough for everyday use. Lift tops can turn the table into a mini desk or dining area. Built-in light or wireless charging pads are super useful. These tables are stylish and they actually make life easier. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.